All right, so here we go, guys. I decided to do a quick video before our first trip, just to kind of give you guys a better idea as to why I decided to create this channel and why we're doing this. Okay, so basically why Earthbound Official Camp became a YouTube channel and what the idea behind it is. This channel is basically me killing like 5 birds with 1 stone. Me and my girlfriend Rosanna, we've always talked about doing this. First of all, the whole camping situation, going out camping and being outdoors, but also I love creating music, videos. I love photography. Those of you guys that know me, you know, I've been doing music for a long time. I've been doing videography, photography, and this channel is kind of all of that. All of these things that I like, all of these things that I want to do, just put together in one channel. So I get to go out, have fun, camp, explore, and at the same time, I get to create. I get to create these videos. I get to edit these videos. I get to produce. I get to make music. All the music that I'll be using in all of these videos, just like if you guys saw the first video, it's all original music. Whether it's me creating the music on my computer, or maybe me laying down a guitar and just creating on top of that. I'm looking forward to moving forward in the future to include like other producers. I know a lot of guys that make music too, and maybe I can use their music also to add to these videos. And I think it you know, it's a fun thing to be able to add, at least for me. And also cooking, right? So again, those of you that know me, you guys, you have me on social medias, you see that I post a lot of videos of me cooking things. I like creating new things. I am Dominican. I do like and I love my Dominican food, but I like trying new things, right? So not just trying it, but actually making it, learning how to cook different things. So that'll also be something that I'll be able to add to this channel, and also provide you guys with maybe, you know, ideas or recipes as to what you guys can do when you're out there camping. Because I see a lot of people, you know, try to go for the basic things, and I get it. There's ways to actually cook a good meal without having to go all crazy and needing like a full kitchen, especially since you're coming from your house out camping. You can prep, right? You can prep to where once you're out there, well, the cooking situation could be a lot easier, and you're not stuck, you know, just eating sandwiches and hot dogs and just like the basic things, right? So there's ways to prep and actually go out there and have a great meal. Also, we're hoping to be able to fish while we're out there, and the idea is that, you know, we go out. Sure, we'll take food just in case, but it would be ideal that we actually catch something that we can just go ahead and make for dinner or whatnot. So that's part of the plan. Let's see how all that goes. I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything. I'm not trying to just show you guys like you're used to seeing these videos where people have these vans and or camping, glamping, and it's all nice and stuff. No, you guys are gonna see everything. You guys are gonna see all fuck-ups. You're gonna see all the mess ups. You guys are gonna see all the bad things, and you're gonna see all the good things. In the end, the idea is that you guys learn from this, right? This is gonna be a learning process for me and for my girlfriend, and it's also gonna be an experience for you guys to learn from as well if you decide to in the future to maybe try this out. So basically, Earthbound is stepping away from the everyday noise, the everyday life, the technology, the screens, being on your phone, being on your computer. I am going to be documenting this, but I'm going to try to do this in a way when this is something I spoke with my girlfriend before, that I said, hey, you know, I like doing this, right? This whole video and all this stuff, but don't let me get caught up into, you know, this. Like, I want to go out, I want to enjoy, and I want to stop. Like, okay, so basically the idea is if I'm out for a day, we're camping, right? A day, we're actually active, let's say for 15 hours of that day, whether it's making food, going out, taking a dive in the river, in the lake, or whatever, fishing. And I told her, I said, look, if we're going to be out for 15 hours, don't let me go past an hour and a half, 2 hours of me actually filming and documenting things, okay? It's just going to be quick. The longest thing maybe would be the whole cooking part, right? I might want to get like different angles of that and kind of explain that. But other than that, I just want this to be as natural as possible while maybe having the best looking professional video that I can get. I'm gonna be working basically with a Insta360 X4. I have a Canon EOS R. my phone camera. I'm an Android guy, so I have a Samsung S24. I'll be using a drone as well whenever I get the chance to. The idea of Earthbound is just stepping away from the everyday life of being on the phone, being on that work routine, just to disconnect basically and just ground ourselves back into the real world. Trees, dirt, water, and fire, all that good stuff. And like I said, hopefully we're able to, if we go fishing, we're able to catch something and cook that for dinner. Let's see how that goes. You guys are gonna see the actual thing. We're not gonna try and make it, I'm not gonna try and make it look nice and beautiful all the time. You're gonna see exactly what it is. If I burnt my food because I don't know how to cook over fire, that's what you're gonna see, my burnt food. I'm not gonna, redo it and try and make it nice for you. So you guys are gonna see like the actual real thing. And our first trip, we've actually decided we're gonna go ahead and go to Silver Springs. Now, I've lived in Florida all my life, and to be honest with you, I'm not 100% sure if I've gone to Silver Springs. I know that I've been to Blue Springs, I've been to Wekiva Springs, and I think I've been to Silver Springs. But then again, I don't really recall. So there's a lot of state parks which we're planning to visit, and a lot of nice springs out here in Florida which we're trying to visit. So we're gonna start here in Florida, but the idea is to continue. Once we hit those places that we want to see here, we'll move over to Georgia and, just see where this takes us. We're really planning to go state to state slowly, right? And just visit different places in each state. State parks, springs, waterfalls, whatever. That's the idea behind this channel. So I hope you guys have a good idea of what it is that we're trying to do. I hope you guys support this channel. It would help a lot if you guys go ahead and just like this video, subscribe, hit that bell button there also, so that whenever we post a video, you'll be able to see it. I don't want to say we're going to post a video every week, every 2 weeks or whatnot, because, we work, we have things to do. My girl's a full-time student. I work full-time as a safety coordinator, so I have a lot of other things going on. But, we are going to continue to post videos. I don't want to say it's going to be a routine every week or every 2 weeks, but if you guys activate that bell, you'll be notified when we do upload a video. And like I said, besides going back to that killing 5 birds, 6 birds with a stone, I guess 7 birds with a stone, because that 7th kill is gonna be us teaching you guys a couple things here and there. So it's a win-win. There's a big W for me, for my girlfriend, for whoever's watching this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the content that we're gonna go ahead and provide for you. So at the end of the day, this is just me. This is just us doing things that we love, and we hope that you guys enjoy our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell button so you know whenever we post another video. And remember, stay wild, stay free, stay earthbound.